Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to introduce you GotD, which is the first licensed DLT protocol network for P2P netting. So allow me to explore the website for you guys. So this is the homepage. So as you can see, let me scroll it down for you. Alright, pretty neat, pretty neat. Okay, so moving on, we have our About Us page. Okay, so yeah, about our team, since early 2014, our team has been engaged in financial logistics, relocating liquidity between countries, exchanging fiat and cryptocurrency, paying invoices for countries worldwide. So during this time, we accumulated experience working with dozens of countries and build infrastructure with turnover up to $5 million per day, and together with marketing platforms over $100 million per day. So we deeply understand the main market pain, and it was risky. From fraud to payment delays in correspondent banks, all this makes international settlements expensive, slow, and unsafe. So our answer is financial netting platform with built-in escrows. It allows reduced costs through flow netting, minimize fraud risk, ensure speed and transparency of deals even with unfamiliar counterparties, open business access to new markets and liquidity, and so much more. And just to remind you, we are not a startup. We are a working business that daily proves approach effectiveness. We save in every transaction, on every sold USDT or Bitcoin, on every cash issuance in another country or city. Relying on our own expertise, we build infrastructure for all market participants. We understand that strength is in cooperation and unite local exchanges and fintech companies to global network. Our goal is to basically make international settlements simple, reliable, and accessible for everyone. So moving on, we also, of course, have our token. Okay, so this is basically the token GotD, your access to licensed P2P netting network. So yeah, let me scroll it down for you. Okay, so yes, GotD token is a utility token created to ensure transparency and trust in transactions on GotD.global.platform. So allow me to read the benefits that you will have. Escrow guarantee, liquidity confirmation, unified network tool, and of course, fraud protection. So we created GotD token, a utility tool designed to ensure transparency and trust in transactions on our platform and for connecting to other escrow services where reliable guarantee of obligation fulfillment is required. So, okay, so for our investors, all right, okay. So invest in future of global settlements, early token access, which is have fixed price of 50 cents. And of course, it's licensed and SAFTI for accredited investors, um, legal standards for early stages. And so for our working platform, we have 50 plus hubs and daily deals in 20 plus countries. And of course, we also have team with experience created payment systems in CIS, Europe, and even Asia. We create next generation financial infrastructure with safety opportunity to enter project before its exit to open markets. So yeah, invest in infrastructure, not in speculation. GotD is an ecosystem where your profit grows from real transaction volume, not from market fluctuations. Every dollar passing through the platform increases the value of the entire network. So of course, as every other person does, we have our questions and we also have a page for that. Let me just scroll it down for you. Okay, so yeah, we have our frequently asked questions about GotD Global. Let me scroll it down so that you can read. Okay, allow me to read. What is GotD Global? GotD Global is a platform that helps companies such as exchanges, banks, and trading firms find mutual payments worldwide and conduct them quickly. Sorry, minimizing intermediaries. Imagine one client has money to send one country and another has a reverse request. GotD connects them, replacing two long transfers with one quick settlement. All this is protected through blockchain escrow based on Gotti token, making transactions basically reliable. So as a result, you will save up to 90% of your fees. You save money in minutes, not days, and can work with new partners without unnecessary risks. We are not a bank or payment system. This is just a tool for simplifying settlements between businesses. Allow me to read the second one. Is Got the payment system or bank? As what I've said, no. Got the Global is not and is not playing payment system. Money transfer operator or bank, we are not technological platform coordinator. So we don't store your money, neither fiat nor cryptocurrency client funds pass through our accounts. We don't conduct final settlements. All direct payments between counterparties such as cash, bank transfers, crypto transactions that are conducted directly between them by convenient methods, requests, ensures deal security through smart contract escrow and coordination with execution stages and actual asset exchange happens directly between their participants. So in simple analogy, GotD is like a smart real estate agent for financial flows. He finds perfectly matching counterparties and guarantees deal security, but is neither seller nor buyer and money don't pass through him. So yeah, these are some of these are just some of the questions that you may have in your mind, and you can just visit the website if you have other questions in mind. So let me just scroll it down for you so that you can have ease of access. All right. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you're interested, kindly visit the website gotd.global.